Hello and welcome to another IndySoft Tip Tuesday. My name is Evan and today I want to talk to you about modifying which equipment tabs are available to us. So in version 12, this would have been done by right-clicking and modifying the current layout. As you may know, in version 13, that's all done live, right? We can drag and drop things from our view. Similar concept for our equipment tabs down here. We right-click in the view, or in the equipment view here, and go to Set Up Dialogues. So first things first, we can kind of thin the herd here, so to speak, on things we may not be using. If you don't have a backup piece of equipment designated for a tool, so your one calibrator goes down, you have a recommendation to replace that with. We're not using that, we can get rid of it. Same with child equipment. If you don't have assets, recorded individually as how they pertain to assisting another tool, you might be able to get rid of that as well. We're happy with the notes up here. We can get rid of those. We're not using uncertainties, we can get rid of specifications, and then maybe we modify the test points more often than we modify scheduling. So another function here is we can change the order. So let's swap that to test points to the second slot and the scheduling to the fifth slot there. So we'll see a number of changes happen there. So the test points and scheduling changed spots, and we got rid of all the extra ones there. So again, we can change the order of them, change which ones are displayed, and then also I like to leave this selected. If anyone has collapsed this, logs out and logs back in, they kind of don't see it immediately. That will just make sure it's expanded for them to see. We do also have the option for dialogues versus tabs, and what that will do is make them just little links here that will open up a separate window. Also effective, but I do prefer the tabs for my usage, so I'm going to put that back on. And I do like scheduling a little earlier in my options, so we'll put that back as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.